Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to plot an LSV graph in Origin using electrochemical raw data. First, open the Origin software. Next, open your electrochemical raw data file. Copy the data corresponding to sample 1. Paste it into a new Origin worksheet. After pasting the data, delete all unnecessary columns and keep only potential column and current column. X-axis potential and column BY as current. Rename column A as sample 1. Next step, now go back to the raw electrochemical data, copy the data for the sample 2. It into the same Origin worksheet. Again, remove all the unnecessary columns and keep only current column because all the potential values are identical for all samples. We only need only one potential column for the entire data sheet. Place the current column of sample 2 next to the sample 1 and rename it as sample 2. Repeat the same procedure for sample 3 and sample 4 and rename it as sample 3 and sample 4. At this stage, your worksheet should contain column A as potential, column B sample 1 current, column C sample 2 current, column D sample 3 current, and column E sample 4 current. Now we will convert the potential values to the REG scale using the Nernst equation. Before applying the equation, identify reference electrode and electrolyte used. In this, reference electrode is AgHCl and electrolyte is 1 molar KOH. Right-click column A, select Set column values, enter the following formula. Column A plus 0.197 as a reference value for AgHCl plus 14 the pH of KOH multiply 0.059 the standard value in Nernst equation. Click OK. The entire potential column will now be converted to the REG scale. The current values in the raw data are usually in amperes. To convert them into milliamperes for sample 1, right-click column B and select Set column values. Enter column B, multiply 1000. Click OK. For sample 2, enter column C, multiply 1000 and click OK. For sample 3, enter column D, multiply 1000, click OK. Now, for sample 4, enter column E, multiply 1000, click OK. The current values are now converted from ampere to milliamperes. Now select all the columns containing the data, go to plot, line. Origin will generate a combined LSV plot containing all samples on the same graph. Now, to modify x-axis, double-click the x-axis scale. The axis dialog window will open. Select the Scale tab. Set the axis range according to your requirement. For example, to change the y-axis range, select vertical and then set the axis range according to your requirement. Click Apply and then OK. Your graph will now display the required current density range.